In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text case in Google Sheets, an easy walkthrough that will make handling your spreadsheets more efficient. We'll cover how to convert your text to lowercase, uppercase, and proper case using simple formulas, so let's dive right in. First, what you'll want to do is open up your Google Sheets document. If you don't have one open yet, you can access Google Sheets by visiting the Google Drive homepage and selecting Sheets from the options. Once you have your spreadsheet open, we'll get started on our first task, changing text to lowercase. Locate the cell in column C where you would like the lowercase transformation to begin. Let's assume it's C2. Click on cell C2 to select it. Now, it's time to enter the formula that will convert your text to lowercase. Type this into cell C2 equals lower, and then open parenthesis, followed by the cell reference that contains the text you want to modify, and then close parenthesis. This might look something like equals lower, open parenthesis, A2 close parenthesis, assuming A2 is the cell with the text you want to convert. Once you've typed in the formula, go ahead and hit the Enter key. Your text should now appear in lowercase. If you have multiple entries you'd like to apply this to, click and hold the small square at the bottom right corner of cell C2, then drag it down to autofill the formula into additional cells in the column. Next, let's move on to changing text to uppercase. Navigate to cell D2. Again, you'll need to type in a formula, but this time you'll use equals upper open parenthesis followed by the source cell, then close parenthesis. For example, equals upper open parenthesis A2 close parenthesis. Hit Enter, and your text will now be displayed in all uppercase letters. You can autofill the rest of the cells in column D in the same manner as before. Now for our final transformation, let's convert text to proper case, where each word starts with a capital letter. Move to cell E2 and type in a similar formula. You'll write equals proper open parenthesis, followed by your source cell, then close parenthesis. So, something like equals proper open parenthesis A2 close parenthesis. Hit Enter, and your text will now reflect the proper case formatting. Just like before, don't forget to use the autofill handle to apply this change across the column. And there you have it, a simple walkthrough on how to change text case in Google Sheets using these handy formulas. With just a few clicks and some easy formulas, you can transform your spreadsheet data for better readability and organization. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spreadsheet editing.